Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Shawn's the name and good old credit is the game today. So, is credit repair actually worth it? If you look at any of my credit videos on YouTube, you'll see that the comment section is dominated by bots and fake stories saying that they went from a 400 credit score to a 780 in just a few weeks with insert crappy credit URL here .com. You should even see all the comments that get flagged and held for review. I mean, there are hundreds and hundreds of comments just on my videos. There's probably millions of comments across all of YouTube pitching these exact same stories and trying to push people towards credit repair. So that makes us think, are credit repair companies actually legit, and do they actually help you with your credit if this is what their marketing strategy is like? Seems a little shady, right? Well, since I'm a mortgage lender in AZ, I see credit repair-like situations every single day. So, is credit repair actually worth it? Or are you better off just working on your credit on your own? So, today, let's talk about the truth when it comes to credit repair. Okay, so like I mentioned, I am a mortgage lender, so I'm probably the best person to talk to when it comes to situations like this, because I would say that 95% of mortgage lenders, when they meet someone who's got rough credit and they can't qualify for a home, they just say, hey, you need to go to credit repair, come talk to me when your credit scores are up to the qualifying range. Do I do that though? Not most of the time, and I'm going to tell you why in just a bit. But just know that credit repair companies call me all the time, trying to get all of my clients who have rough credit to sign up for their credit repair programs. So I've seen it all. I mean, I've talked to all the major companies. We're talking like Lexington Law, Ovation, Sky Blue, Cake Credit, Credit Assurance. I mean, I've seen them all. They're all pitching the same story, different day. They all claim to get my clients to the closing table as soon as possible, which pretty much means they all say, hey, come sign up for our program, pay us some money, and we're gonna get your credit scores up lightning fast. When in reality, every situation and every person's credit is completely different from the next. So making claims like this is ignorant. Some people are literally in a situation where their credit will not and cannot get up to the 700 plus range because they've either got judgments that have to be paid or tax liens that have to be paid, or there's tons of inquiries in the last 12 months and they're not coming off their credit anytime soon. Everyone's situation is completely different. So if someone ever tells you sign up for our program or pay me this and I guarantee your scores are going to be XYZ, they are blowing smoke up your ass. Unless they have seen your credit report and can confidently tell you, here's the game plan and here's where you'll be, you can't really believe anything they say. And I don't want to poop on all credit repair companies right now because they're not all bad, and I'll get to that in just a little bit. But first, when do I not send clients to credit repair, or when do I not recommend you sign up for credit repair? Well, it depends on the credit report. If the only thing that's bringing down your scores are maxed out credit cards and maybe a few collections, then do not, I repeat, do not sign up for credit repair. Why pay someone $100 plus a month or $650 plus per program for them to literally say, hey Barb? Yeah? I know you just paid us a bunch of money to join our credit repair program, but I'm really gonna need you to pay down your credit cards to this balance. Oh, and I know money's tight right now, but it's really important you pay down those cards. So just work at it every single month. If it takes you 6 months, that's totally fine. Just don't forget to keep paying us to repair your credit, okay? Okay. Look, I know this sounds crazy, but this happens all the time. And if you have a few collections added onto your high credit card debt, it's not that hard to get removed on your own. So bottom line, you need to get a credit report on yourself to see what the hell is actually going on before you go to a credit repair company. And then you're going to need to watch the video I posted 2 weeks ago. Watch that bad boy right there. I tell you exactly what you'll see on your credit report and how to go about fixing each specific item. Plus, in that video, I talk about how you can go about getting a full and free credit report, because step one in fixing your credit is just getting yourself a report to see what the heck is on there. Repairing your credit really isn't that challenging. You just have to know what's going on, and you have to spend a little bit of time on it. Think about it. If you pay a credit repair company $100 a month to fix your credit, even if they pay their employees a measly rate of $12 an hour, they're probably only spending 4 hours a month on your credit. And then the other $50 or so a month is actually going towards all their overhead that the company has and towards all the YouTube bots to go get more business. 4 hours a month. If you're actually serious about getting your credit scores up, then you can sacrifice 4 hours a month to work on your credit. It's not that big of a deal. It will save you so much money, and instead of paying $100 towards credit repair, you can apply that $100 towards paying down some debt or towards paying off some things to fix your credit. That's always the catch-22 with credit repair, is most people who need credit repair don't have a lot of money, but you end up spending the money on credit repair when credit repair tells you you need to spend money elsewhere. Like, it doesn't make sense. So, is credit repair worth it? At this point in the video, you're probably thinking, okay, Shawn definitely thinks hell no. But not quite. Credit repair does make sense and is worth it in two situations. One, you do not have any time to focus on your credit, and more importantly, you are not dedicated. Because you have to truly want to increase your credit scores if you plan on doing it yourself. Plus, if you're just way too busy and you'd rather pay someone else to do it for you, then yes, credit repair does make sense at that point. And two, your credit needs some serious work. Like, there's just so much on it, and it would take you forever to fix it yourself. I mean, we're talking everything under the sun is on there, and it's just way too overwhelming for you to tackle it yourself. Then again, yes, credit repair might be worth it for you. That's it. Those are the only two situations that make sense for you to actually get yourself involved in credit repair. And again, you got to have the budget for it, which 9 out of 10 people do not have the budget for credit repair. And also, we're very lazy, so that's why most people just never fix their credit. So bringing this full circle, I only refer my clients to get involved in credit repair if there is a gnarly amount of things on their report and it's just too overwhelming to tackle. But again, 9 out of 10 people aren't willing to spend the cheddar on it, so it's just one of those tough situations. It's understandable though, which is why I am always making great content on this channel to help your situation out for free without spending that $100 a month. I start charging everyone $100 a month, but everything on this channel is free content to help better your situation, so it's a great reason for you to hit that subscribe button. And then lastly, I know lots of people are going to be reaching out or asking me, well, Shawn, you say you still recommend some people go to credit repair, so what's the best company out there? Because there are so many and you see so much hype. So Shawn, who do you refer your clients to? Well, I've done a lot of research and I've tested out numerous companies on credit repair to see which ones actually have your best interests in mind and aren't just trying to keep you in their program to make more money. And again, I've seen a lot and I've worked with a lot. But the one that I truly appreciate and the one I actually send my clients to is mycreditguy.com. And I am in no way, shape, or form getting compensated for saying that at all. I should be, but I'm not. So that is truly just off my experience. I've met and spoke with the CEO of that company multiple times, Sam Parker. They really know their stuff over there, and I will forewarn you, they are a little bit on the pricier end compared to the competitors, but again, they actually get people back to the closing table or get people to where they want to be with their credit, and they don't BS you. Once they see a credit report, they don't tell you, oh yeah, we'll get this done in 3 months. No, they tell you exactly, here's a game plan, and here's how long it's going to take to get your credit. We're going to work as fast as we can to get you the score you want, but here's what's on your report, and here's what we're going to do about it. Again, a little bit on the pricier end, but they actually have your best interest in mind, and they will get you to where you need to be. Sam Parker and them, they really know their stuff over there, and I've learned a lot about credit through them. So again, they know their stuff. You're only going into credit repair if you meet those two situations I mentioned earlier. Otherwise, you're better off just doing it yourself. At the end of the day, credit repair is very similar to the lottery in regards to the fact that it's just a tax on the poor. So if you have the knowledge to fix your credit on your own, you're going to be so much better off. But that's the truth about credit repair. Make the choice on your own because your situation is going to be completely different than the person next to you. So think about your situation, think about what's on your credit report and what needs actual fixing, and then go about making the decision if credit repair is right for you or not. But hopefully this video did provide some good insight and will help you decide whether or not you need credit repair or you don't need credit repair. If it did, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button. Drop a comment down below if you've tried fixing your credit on your own or if you have worked with a credit repair company. I want to know your thoughts because I know everyone's situation is different and credit repair does do wonders for some people while other people not so much. Oh, and don't forget to check out that video I mentioned earlier on how to actually fix your credit. That might give you some more insight on whether or not you want to try credit repair on your own or not, because some things do take a little bit of time and you have to be motivated to fix your own credit. But don't forget to check that one out. Again, I appreciate you watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.